Well, it's the hottest IPO in town, Lenskart, and also the most debated one because of its valuations. And we'll get to that in just a moment. Now, it's a 7,278 crore rupee IPO. The share price is between 382 to 402 rupees per share, and the grey market premium is already at 20%. So, giving you an idea of the kind of buzz around this IPO. And we know, of course, that investors love the brand, love the story so far. Now, on the other side, there is some doubt around the profitability. Let's take a look at those numbers. 297 crore rupee profit, but of course a large chunk of that, 356 crore, comes from non-operating income. We have discussed this before as well, and in simple terms, if you exclude that, then the numbers of the core business shows a loss of about 60 crore rupees. It's still a very nominal amount for an IPO whose valuation is at 70,000 crore rupees on the Lal Street. So can a company really justify a 260 times valuation or earnings multiple when core profitability is still something that's a question mark? That's really why the markets are abuzz, and a lot of experts are trying to make sense of really what's happening here. Now, Peyush Bansal, who had increased his stake just months ago at 52 rupees per share, is now selling over 2 crore shares in this IPO. That's leading to another twist in the tail right now. And he's doing this alongside other promoters who are offloading about 1,100 crore rupees worth of stock. Smart monetization, perhaps, while the excitement runs high. Now, the Lenskart story is backed by marquee investors like Radhakrishna Damani. It is one which has been known to change the landscape of around eyewear in the country, create a brand, create the way India actually accesses affordable eyewear. So it's really an IPO that's shining bright in terms of an India story, but the real test will begin after the listing in terms of whether or not it can actually see sustainable, lasting profits. And that's when we'll perhaps get some clarity on this valuation.